The world's most expensive phones. Key features that will blow your mind. If you thought your phone was pricey, the world's most expensive phone will make you reconsider. The Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond Edition is the world's most expensive phone, costing an incredible $48.5 million. Cash, $5,281,650,000.00. The Falcon Supernova, which costs $45.5 million, is a customized iPhone 6 that was presented in 2014. The phone is made of 24-karat gold and features a big pink diamond on the back. It's also platinum coated and has hack prevention technology to keep the owner's information hidden from prying eyes. According to Opera News, the pink diamond Falcon Supernova was originally owned by Neeta Ambani, the wife of Asia's richest man and owner of the Indian cricket team. Contrary to popular belief, the phone features only 1 GB of RAM and ROM sizes ranging from 16 GB to 32 GB, 64 GB, and 128 GB. Although it isn't the most attractive phone, it is the most expensive phone in the world, so it gets kudos for that. It still amazes me that there is a market for this kind of nonsense. However, everything is relative. So if you have the extra cash and want to stand out from the crowd, why not? Please keep in mind that these phones are not now available because the company has already been closed down. This information has been uploaded solely for educational purposes. Stay tuned with us for more intriguing tech news. Diamond Black iPhone 5. The gold and diamond encrusted iPhone 5 Black Diamond, valued at $15 million, is the world's second most expensive phone. The ultra-luxurious smartphone was designed by renowned British jeweler Stuart Hughes for a wealthy Chinese customer. Although the iPhone 5 chassis is made of 26-karat gold and 600 perfect white diamonds, the device's name is derived from the 24-karat black diamond inserted in place of the home button. The Apple logo was made of solid gold and given a 3D appearance by the inclusion of 53 tiny diamonds, making it one of the most costly phones in the world. It took 9 weeks to create the iPhone 5 Diamond Black. The iPhone screen is made of sapphire glass rather than the more common Gorilla Glass, which contributes significantly to its status as one of the most expensive phones in the world. Sapphire allows for the creation of ultra-resistant glass, but because it is 10 times more expensive than Gorilla Glass, it is reserved for sophisticated timepieces and luxury items such as one of the world's most expensive phones. Stuart Hughes intended to make more black diamond iPhones for interested customers. However, since Apple ceased software support for the iPhone 5 and iPhone 5C in 2017, the iPhone Black Diamond has become obsolete. Thank you for watching and please do well to subscribe for more update.